Welcome makers! Today we're making a multi-strand lei. This is a beautiful, versatile lei that can display all the textures of the multi-strand and can also be draped front and back. For this lei, I'm using a variety of flowers and foliage. The multi-strand lei allows you to be creative and utilize parts of the flower that are often discarded. Today we are using spray roses, white orchids, mini carnation, hypericum berries, and tea leaf. If you want to drape the lei front to back, you will determine the length of your strands based on how you want the lei to fit the recipient. This lei is going to be for an 8-year-old. In the front, I'm going to do a 16-inch strand and an 18-inch strand. In the back, my strands are going to be 18, 20, and 22 inches long. For an adult-sized lei, the length can vary greatly depending on the height and size of the recipient, as well as where you want the lei to sit. As a starting point, I would recommend front strands start between 24 to 30 inches. In this adult-sized lei, my back strands were 32 inches and 35 inches long. You can use a soft measuring tape to estimate the length by draping it where you want each strand to lie and measure to the top of the shoulder. I'm using dental floss in this video. You can also use cotton string. For my needles, I'm using 12-inch lei needles as well as longer craft needles, and I will link those in my Amazon storefront. You can use either. I'm keeping my strands attached to the needle until the end so that I can add flowers on if I need to adjust my lengths once they're draped together. To create these strands, I'm simply piercing from the bottom of the flower through to the top. In this adult-sized lei, I utilize rosebuds and mini carnations in the back. In the front, I use orchids and rose petals, which I stacked and pierced through the center. If you haven't made a lei before, I will link some of my beginner lei videos that go over different methods, flowers, and foliage that can be used. After creating all of my strands to the desired length and removing the sewing needles, I'm joining my 3 back strands together and my front 2 strands together. Then I will tie the front and back together by doing a few double knots. Make sure that there are no gaps and that everything is tied together so that your lei will look seamless. You can add additional leaves, ribbon, or flowers to the joint of the front and back strands to add more to your lei or to cover up the knots where they are joined. In this adult-sized lei, my orchids were large enough to hide the joints. In the child-sized lei, I added tea leaf roses and tied them with string over the joints of the front and back strands. Here's my finished lei. This style always turns out beautiful, allows you to be really creative, and make something unique. Thanks for watching.